Order of operations, practice number 1. Step number 1 is brackets. There are no operations in brackets. Step number 2 is exponents. There are no exponents. Step number 3 is going to be division multiplication from left to right. So we'll start with the division. So negative 3.6 divided by 1.2 is going to be negative 3. The subtraction sign stays the same. And 6 times 0.3 is going to be 1.8. Next, change this to an addition statement. So we'll change the subtraction sign to an addition sign and change the integer after it to its opposite integer. So the opposite of 1.8 is negative 1.8. This can now be read as negative 3 plus negative 1.8. We'll add these two negative integers together and we get negative 4.8. For question number 2, step number 1 is brackets. Negative 4.2 plus 0.8. Since they're different signs, we'll subtract 4.2 minus 0.8, and we'll keep the sign of the larger integer, which is the negative, so we have negative 3.4. The next step is going to be exponents. 3 to the power of 2 is going to be 9. So this can be written as negative 3.4 plus 9 times 0.2. Next step is division multiplication, so we have multiplication. So negative 3.4 now plus 9 times 0.2, which is 1.8. And again, we subtract the smaller number from the larger number, since they're different signs. 3.4 minus 1.8. And keep the sign of the larger one, which is going to be the 3.4. So we have negative 1.6.